Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I'm just going to do one. I did a unboxing of the Exotic Nudes box for February. Gosh, what time was that? Five something this morning? I don't know. My wife had a doctor's appointment before work, and so she had to be up at 5:30, which meant for me to go walk, and I had to be out the door before 4. And yeah, it's been a long day. It's quarter after midday noon hour, and yeah, caffeine, good day. So yeah, go to exoticnudes.com. That's where this one that I'm going to show you came from. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider and get yourself a nice discount. This is Mama Wide Noodle Yentafo. Yentafo is like Yentafo, so it's tofu. It's like tofu kind of has that way of imparting flavor, kind of like meat, a texture. But for people who can't eat things, this is especially for people who can't eat pork that are in the Thailand area. And yeah, so basically what you do, you open it like so, or you might have a different way you open it. Seasoning, paste, and I think that's everything. As you can see, the noodles are indeed wide, so I'm going to drop those into this bowl. And then I'm going to put the scissors. Let's see what that looks like coming out. Yeah. Yeah, I did that unboxing video early this morning. And then I was able to get it edited, and it's already posted. Yeah, it's afternoon. So that already went up. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, it's Friday. I am really jazzed. It's sunny out too. That's also something I enjoy thoroughly. Yeah, got up early. I had put some new music on my I've got an old cell phone that I use, and then I've got a Bluetooth speaker that I carry around in my fanny pack thing that it's on the front. It's not on my fanny. It's hard to listen to music when it's coming out of your butt, right? So anyway, but yeah, so what did I put on there? I put on some Dio, some Sabbath, and some MFSB. If you're not familiar with them, that's like it's like disco, very 70s stuff. 3 minutes, not 5, 3. I'm gonna put a lid on it, let it chill. Now is the time that we do the quote of the day. Quote of the day is brought to you by the wonderful book Momofuku Endo Speaks. These are quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle. No, you won't be able to find this at your local bookseller. I got this from a guy who is a CEO of a company he used to work for Nissan in Japan. Anyways, let's see. Number 161. A decision is never final. If there is something better, it can always be changed. Hallelujah. Yeah. Now that is what you call a rut. If you refuse to change... No. Decision's final. But we have a better idea. Sorry, can't change it. That drives me nuts. People are that way, though. People tend to get in that way, at least. But yeah, man, I just listened to a White House press briefing for the first time in 4 years. Granted, they had them before, but they were just so freaking wrong. Alternative facts and all that. It was nice. It was like, the president is doing this, the vice president is doing this, the first lady's doing this, the first gentleman is doing that. Would you like to give me some questions? And there was just like, there was no crap. It was just very straightforward, like it always used to be. And it lasted, I think 45 minutes, an hour, maybe more. I mean, it was a long one. But it's important that when you have a government, that when you go, I wonder what they're doing, that it's not so hard to find that out. You know, it's important to be able to have some info on how the wheels of your government are turning. So that was nice. You know, I'm sure some people will find that absolutely offensive to them. I don't know why, but they were talking about the stimulus and things like that, and boy, they're going to be giving out a lot of food money, which is good, you know. I mean, I'm okay with that. I could use some. You know? We've been getting some. I mean, we've been getting stimulus, and it's been great. It's helped out a lot. I mean, if we didn't get, as a family of 4, what we get, holy cow, we'd be screwed. We'd be hurting for certain. Just with all the crazy ridiculousness these days, it's like it used to be. Just makes existence that much easier when you're like, no, can't get any mung bean sprouts this week. Alright. But we can. I loves me my mung bean sprouts, so yes. Alright, so let's look at this. I think I ended up with a little more water than I needed, but here we go. They're definitely a wide noodle. Wide noodles. Come on. Come on. No. Jesus Christ. Get on my fork. How could this guy be the ramen writer? He can't even eat his noodles. Yeah, shut up. Eat securely. Have a meal out of my butt. I'm sorry, I can't. Slippery noodles. Wow, they're hot too. I know what broad rice noodles are like in texture. I mean, those are fine. But this stuff's neat. Yeah, it's got a really groovy flavor to it. It's sweet, it's hot, and then it's got this underlying thing that I really don't know exactly what it is, but it's good. When I went and visited the Mama Factory, they had their broth and noodle next to something one of the ladies that worked in the R&D department made, like from scratch, homemade Yentafo. They also made green curry, and they also made tom yum. It was like, try this one, and then try this one. It was like, this broth is good stuff. I mean, obviously, you just have a noodle and a broth, but you put all the other things in it, yes. Yes, sirree. Take some of this. This is tofu puff. And I recommend that you learn about tofu puff by going to the store and buying some. Because tofu puff, it it really doesn't have much of any flavor, but it adds texture, which is nice. A couple of fish ball. And I've got a couple fish cake. Actually, I'm just going to put this tofu puff in here too. But I think the fish cake I'll just apply after putting in the bowl. Miriam, are you eating your dinner, or your lunch rather? Silencio. Pretty good today, so far. She's got class in about a half an hour. I'm just like, I'm just gonna do one of these shows today. Need to keep it mellow. God, I hope we are keeping it mellow. Are you gonna fit in this bowl? You better. Yeah. Woo! I'm excited that I'm not covered in boiling broth. Come on. I know it was a very odd cheer, but you know, I'm very happy that I'm not covered in just boiling, scalding hot water. And we've got some of the here. Let's see, I've probably got some more things that I can add to it. I think pepper flake is definitely a reasonable garnish. Chili oil? Sesame seed? Sure, why not? Yeah. 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 Up my weekend now, take a couple beauty shots of this, and yeah, call it good. Alright, thank you for watching. Please check out the website, www.theramenraider.com. There's been a lot of changes, nice new theme. I'm really stoked on it. Go check out the Ramen Raider on YouTube. Go check out yeah, lots of stuff. Like, subscribe, be happy, be well. Don't get the COVID.